Okay, now we're gonna go through the quick formative exercise with 1.2 over here. Yep, so let's go to the first question. Like, I think this one should be very straightforward. So as you can see over here, you have an angle, you have a radius, or you have an arc length over here. Again, s equal to r theta. You have angle, you also have the arc length. You have to find radius, I believe. Yeah, but before that, I think let's just try to express the minor sector into radian. Very simple. So what is minor sector? Minor means the smaller one, the smaller one. So minor sector, major sector. Minor is this one, and major is the big one. Yeah. So the minor sector essentially would be, again, always calculate in degree first, and then you convert it to radian. That would be simple. So 85, how to convert? Remember, over 180 multiplied by pi. Let's just use 3.142. So yep, 1.4837. Okay, this is a radian. Then next one for the radius, also very simple. Radius is essentially s equal to r theta. You already have s, which is 15 cm as given. You want to find radius? Sure. And you are given theta calculated as 1.4837. So just do a simple calculation. You should be able to get 10.10099. Let me just check the answer real quick. Yep, correct. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's it for the first question. Okay, next question. Again, you can feel free to pause yourself, please. I won't wait for you to copy or whatever, but you can feel free to pause the video, digest yourself. Anything can always just ask me. Next one. Okay, arc length UV is 5 cm and perimeter, oh, this is important. Perimeter is 18. So that means UO plus OV plus 5 equal to 18. That means UO plus OV is 13. And I think you can see also over here, because this is essentially the radius. This is just the radius. So 2 radius equal to 13. 1 radius is 6.5. Okay, yeah, 1 radius is 6.5 cm. Then you want to find the value of radian. Also very simple lah. So again, s equal to r theta. You have already gotten s. You calculated your radius. Find theta. Theta is going to be 5 over 6.5. 0.7692 radian. Okay, that's it. Okay, next question. Value of theta. Now, again, everything you had, this is also testing a little bit on your basic mathematics. So if you know there's a right angle triangle, how do you find the radian? Again, how do you find the angle? Saw charto, right? This is adjacent, opposite, hypotenuse. So yeah, if you have A and H, this is char, cos. So cos theta equal to A over H. A over H, this is A over H. Yep, so what is theta? Yeah, just do the very basic mathematics over here. Shift cos 4 over 5. You get 36.87. And again, how do we always remember to convert, always remember to convert. So this thing over 180 multiplied by 3.142, 6.0436 radian. Okay, yeah. Then moving on, next one, we talk about the perimeter. I think it also should be very simple. So essentially, you just have to find out EF and GF and EG, correct? Yeah, let's do it one by one. Simplest one, EF. EF is basically the typical thing, right? S equal to r theta. So yeah, just do radius 5 times the angle 0.6436, 3.218. That's it. Okay, then we can also find the others. So GF is basically, again, I think it should be quite straightforward. This is 5. This is also 5. So GF is just 5 cm minus 4 cm, which is 1 cm. Okay, yep. Lastly, EG also quite simple. If you remember, this is again a bit of basic math. If you should remember Pythagoras theorem, so EG should be 5 square minus 4 square. Again, this is Pythagoras theorem, so a square plus b square equal to c square. Yeah, then essentially you can find EG. Yep. So 5 square minus 4 square, 3. Yes. Cool. So then put everything together. So the perimeter is, yeah, the perimeter would then be 3 plus 1 plus 3.218, which is 7.218 cm. Okay, that's it. Okay, next one. All right, question 4. The radius is 2h and 3h. Okay, cool. And then you have POQ as the radian. Then you have the perimeter of the shaded region. Oh, this is interesting. Now, let's try to put every information together, right? Okay, so it says PQSR is 18 cm. That means this region is 18 cm. So again, we try to go one by one. What is PQ? PQ. PQ is, yes, R theta 2h 0.5 is h lah. Okay, next one, QS. What is QS? Again, if you can think about it, this whole thing is 3h. This short thing is 2h. So what is the other side? Yeah, your PR, your QS is basically 3h minus 2h, which is just an h also. Yep. And finally, what is RS? RS also typically R theta, 3h as your radius times 0.5, so 1.5h. So put them all together, your perimeter is gonna be h plus h plus h, these three part, then plus a 1.5h, you get 4.5h. And this is equal to 18. So what is h? Yes, just do a simple division. H is 4. Okay, yeah, cool. And then moving on to find the difference in length between RS and PQ. Very simple. Yep, right, it's 1.5h minus h, or you can just plug in the numbers, 0.5h. So this is going to be 0.5 times 2, which is 1 cm. Sorry, times 4, which is 2 cm. Okay, that's it. Yep. Okay, next one. Radius of 10 cm, and then MON, and this is a tangent. Okay, cool. So they want you to find out the arc length of MN. Okay, so this one should be very simple. Yeah, just convert the radian first. .8902 radian. Then you find the arc length now. So MN should be, yes, R theta. So 10 times whatever this. So 8.902 cm. Okay, next one. The perimeter essentially, perimeter should be whatever you just calculated plus this. And you can see that this is actually quite symmetrical. This is the same thing. But how do we find that? Yeah, how do we find that? That's the key over here. Yeah, just kind of break it down into a right angle triangle. You can see, remember what is the definition of tangent? Tangent means 90 degree. So this is a 90 degree. You see again, you have a right angle triangle. You have a side. You also have an angle here, by the way. Don't forget your angle. This is supposed to be the angle, let's just say the angle MOP is supposed to be 51/2, so 25.5 degree. Now you have everything. Again, let me draw the right angle triangle again. You have 25.5 degree. You have the radius of 10. Sorry, not this one. Okay, and you want to find what? This one. So how to find MP? Yes, it is basically, again, by the bit of simple triangle over here, opposite and adjacent. So yeah, tangent 25.5 is gonna be opposite, let's just say MP, and over 10. Yeah, so what is MP? 10 times tangent 25.5, which is 47477. Then yeah, just put everything together lor. So you have 477 already, and then you just have to plus. There are two of them, by the way. This one and this one is the same thing. So this and this is symmetrical. You calculated one side, you get the other side. Yeah, so put everything together. Everything put together, you have perimeter at 0.902 plus 2 of the 4.77. Yes. So you get 18.44. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's it for this question. Okay, cool. Are we done? Oh my god, not yet. Okay, two more questions. Cool. Let's go through two more questions over here. Next one. A wall clock has a pendulum of length. I think this is radius. And then there's an angle. That's it. And I think, yeah, just to be careful here, one complete oscillation should go from left to right, right to left. It's double. It's double the cycle. So basically, 2 times double the cycle. Again, let's try to convert the degree first. 183.142, 0.3666. Okay, so multiply by that. Then yeah, you get the final answer. 26.3928 cm. Okay, that's it. Okay, cool. Yep, next one. Oh, by the way, just saying over here, why do I always encourage you to do this instead of just doing it here? Because sometimes they wanted to see the exact number of your radian, which you have to show it deliberately, or else if you actually just put it, if you put this thing over here, you put a calculator, right? You don't really show the final answer of this. I will call it the intermediate answer. The intermediate answer of radian is not shown. And that's why it might be an issue over here. So try to do it separately, and then it will be easier to find errors as well, and it will be also, you know, easier for them to mark. Okay, yeah, that's it. Okay, last question finally. A car tire. So what is the distance traveled if it makes, okay, so essentially you wanted to find out first. I think, yeah, actually quite simple. Just get the radius, right? Just get the correct radius, then you just have to multiply by 50 and 1000. So what is the radius here? You see, in the middle you go out, right? Okay, so this is 14 definitely. And what is this? This is half of 38, right? Half of 38. So basically just, yeah, 38 divided by 2 equal to 19. 19 plus 14 equal to 33. This is the radius of the tire. Okay, and then what is one complete oscillation? One complete oscillation basically typical 2 pi r. Nothing special, just 2 pi r. So 2 pi r, again pi is as given 3.142, 2 pi r. Then you get this answer. Okay, yeah, so very simple. Now if you want to convert it, okay, maybe I will suggest you to convert it to meter first, because the answer wanted you to find meter. So I will just quickly do 2.0737 meter, 4 decimal places. Okay, then very simple lah. If you want to have 50 oscillation, you just do 50 lah, multiply by 50. If you want to have 1000 oscillation, you just do 1000 lor. Okay, and that's the answer. Yeah, and then I think you should get it very simply. So the answer then should be, again over here, 103.686 meter, and then 2073.72 meter. Okay, that is actually a very simple question. I'm not sure why is it kept up, but yeah, that's about it. Okay, so with that, we are done with the whole arc length topic. Okay, congratulations. Woo, woo, yep. Now move on to area. Okay.